What's happening, everyone? Art at Patience Metal Fab, and today I'm bringing you some different content than what you usually see on our YouTube page. Now, we're a automotive metal fabrication shop, and we do a variety of things. We don't do detailing, however. We clean up the cars, give them a good wash before customers pick them up. But if we need a professional detail, we usually call in outside companies. Now, in the case of a car like this, Porsche 964, that we did a full EV swap, and we will do a breakdown episode so you guys can see the buildup of that. We need to get it to an event this weekend, which means getting 2 years of dirt, grime, and scratches off of it in only a few days. Now, luckily, in the facility that we're at, there's a detail shop called DTailed Autospa, and the owner, Derek, is a really awesome guy. He told us he would take on the job and kind of get it done as quickly as possible because we're in a bit of a scramble. So we're gonna get the Porsche over there, see and assess just how bad the paint is, go through the steps and the process to get it cleaned up, and then I'll show you the final result. So I'm excited to see this car cleaned up. Hopefully you guys enjoy this little bit of a different episode, and we'll give Derek a shout out at the end.
Alright, we're all wrapped up with the Porsche. It's back with our friends at Patience Metal Fab, getting the finishing touches put on it so it can head off to an event next weekend. It was a real challenge. It took several days due to just the condition of the car and some pop-up paint issues, but it's looking great. Toughest part of this detail was definitely the fact that this car's been resprayed a few times. So you'd finish out, get a perfect process for, say, the hood, and then you'd move to the door. The paint act's completely different. What works in one place isn't going to work in another. So realistically, I had to put together 3 to 4 cars worth of paint correction processes to get this car looking as good as it is. Steps I take on this detail and most details is going to be a thorough wash, come through, decontaminate. At that point, you evaluate the paint, see what it's going to need, and then move into doing a test spot. You want to move as non-aggressive as possible up to as aggressive as needed to get the job done. Do your paint correction, make sure it looks great, come through, alcohol wipe, get the whole thing pure, and then lay the coating. After that, you deliver the car, customer's happy, everything's great. With the Porsche wrapped up, DTailed Autospa is always ready for new projects. We're always up for a challenge, as you can clearly see. If you're interested in getting your car looking as good as this Porsche, give us a call today. I guarantee we can help.